what was it that initially brought you in to see Carl?
Migraines.
Okay.
So lifelong migraines. I've had them since I was about 14, 15. And they've affected me weekly, daily, since then. And I've been to see neurologists over the years in many different countries, and they've all just said it's just a migraine. I thought I was at wit's end, and somebody suggested coming to see a chiropractor. And you were the first kind of name that came up, and it was the best decision I've ever made. First of all, kind of reassured me that it's not just a migraine, and there is probably a cause to that migraine. We had x-rays, and then he kind of had a feel of what was kind of going on, and with the mapping, he basically pinpointed everywhere that hurt. So I knew I was in the right place when, without saying anything, that map actually kind of pinpointed everywhere that hurt. And by the end, I'd actually had a migraine, and I'd been off work for a week with just a migraine. And within an hour of coming in, having that adjustment, my migraine had gone. So I keep coming back because they've stayed away. Haven't been sore at all. Some of the positions have been slightly uncomfortable to start with, but kind of as soon as that initial kind of thing's done, the relief from the pain that I was in to start with is much better every time I walk out.
And would you recommend Carl and chiropractic to other people?
Absolutely, every day. It's changed my life. I've actually been able to go out and socialise and not have to worry about getting a headache halfway through the night. I've just got my life back, because my headaches were at the point that there was no point planning anything, because I would have a headache, I would have a migraine, I couldn't go out kind of in that kind of changing light that happens. So kind of like the winter periods are worse for me, because the light does affect the migraines, and I've had none of that. I've been able to go out for walks and not worry about watching the sunset. I have been out on a girls' weekend, and I've not done that in ever, actually, probably. To be honest, I've had one night out and it's affected me for 3 nights afterwards, because I've tried to carry on and been in pain by the end of it. And to then pull a 3-day weekend was just unheard of. It has changed my life. And I can function and work, which is great.